Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Akshita Singh and today I am unboxing. So let's start it. So the box is open. So let's see. So let's pick out it. So here's the packaging like that. You can see it. Okay, let's open it up right here. Okay. Here is it. You can see it. Let's pick it out. So let's pick it out. What is in under the box? Here is it. And look how. So look at this box. It has two box, and it is very interesting because it is made in India, and it's very good. So first we open that box. Okay, I have my scissors now. Let's pick it out. "50 tea light candles." It has 50 tea light candles. So let's open this box. So look at this. It has and precious, and it is very nice. So let's pick out one, and it is very good. Look at this. Some of them are not very good, like this example. So let's move on next box. So look at this, and the company name is Aura Decor. So let's cut this packaging. So look at this, and it is very good. Look at this, the design, and it is very better than tea light candles. So guys, you have saw these two boxes. So let's come on my over review part. So I didn't like some of the tea light candles. Some of the candles are defected, but I like Diya. So we will meet on my next video. So bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and share it with everyone or your friends.